boxers up here by the beaches.
Okay, give me 1 second. Just stay right there. I'm gonna come get him right now. We'll find your parents.
Gotcha.
All right, round of applause, guys, for both boxers. We have a winner by unanimous decision. Boxing on the red corner, representing the Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, Teofimo. Thank you, Romero. Thank you.
I'm letting you do the thing first.
No, get this one, get this. Look, man, now, look, this is the person you need to record. This is the motherfucking champ right here. This is Curms with the Perms, a.k.a. Cornbread.
Once I find that, I feel like I'm got them. Were you surprised?
Wait, have you seen this man's highlights?
No.
You don't know who you're talking about right now. This is the man right here.
We on? Yeah. We on. I want everybody to follow him on all his social media platforms. Follow my guy, future world champion.